In this video, you'll learn how to add a weather bar to your Notion page. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functional weather display embedded into your chosen Notion page. Begin by navigating to Notion and opening the page where you wish to add the weather bar. Ensure that you are in editing mode, as this is essential for making changes to the page. Carefully decide on the location where you want the weather widget to appear, as this will affect the overall layout of your page. Before proceeding, prepare a weather widget link from a reliable source that provides embedding options. Next, type /embed in the block where you want to insert the weather widgets. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Select the embed option from this menu. After that, paste the weather widget URL into the designated field that appears. Once you have pasted the link, confirm that the preview of the widget loads correctly on the page. This step is crucial to ensure that the widget will display the weather information accurately. After the widget appears, take a moment to resize it for better visibility. You can do this by dragging the corners of the widget to adjust its dimensions. If the widget does not fit well in your chosen location, feel free to adjust its placement by clicking and dragging it to a new position. This customization enhances the appearance and functionality of your page. Once you have embedded the widget, refresh the page to ensure that the weather display is functioning correctly. After the refresh, check how the widget looks in mobile view, as this will help you verify that it is responsive and displays well on different devices. If the widget is not updating or functioning as expected, consider replacing it with a different widget link. Keeping your layout clean and organized is important for user experience. Finally, save your changes properly to ensure that the weather bar remains on your Notion page. It is advisable to periodically check the widget to make sure it continues to display accurate weather information. You've now successfully added a weather bar to your Notion page, enhancing its functionality and providing real-time weather updates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.